Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify font licensing for Creative Market downloads, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Creative Market website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Downloads section of your account. Locate the font you wish to verify. Click on the font to view its details. Look for the License or Licensing Information section on the fonts page. Read through the license terms carefully. Note the type of license you have for that font. Common license types include personal use, commercial use, and extended licenses. If the license is not clear, check for a link to the font creator's website. Visit the font creator's site for more detailed licensing information. Contact their customer support if you have specific licensing questions. Keep a record of the license agreement for your reference. If you plan to use the font for commercial projects, ensure that the license covers that use. Remember, using a font without proper licensing can lead to legal issues. Consider purchasing an extended license if your needs go beyond the basic license agreement. In summary, always verify licensing details before using any downloaded font. This ensures you respect copyright laws and support font designers. Happy designing! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.